Welcome to this free computer learning tutorial part 3. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you something very interesting. Say sometime you open your desktop and it says your CPU or hard drive is not software not updated, or something happened to your software, something say your hard drive or something not working. So that maybe sometime um, the the software d- didn't get updated by itself. So in that case, you have to update it. So how you do? Again, go to start here, go to device manager, and these are all the devices installed, all the hard drive installed on my computer. This is my processors. These are my printers, monitor, Bluetooth, the computer, disk driver. So say I want to check the properties here. This device is working properly. Now every time you click any of these, if something not working properly, it will give you a message. Say your mouse or something not working properly, and then you find it. You come here, you find that particular device, and if it is not working properly, it will give a message like device is not working properly. So what you do in that case, you click driver and then click on update driver. You can disable the disable device and then roll back to the enable device. You can click update driver. These are all the options. These are all self-explanatory things you can do, but I will not recommend to do any of these if there is no issue. You don't need to update your driver. You don't need to disable and enable your device. If in case something happened, then you come here and open your specific hard drive, your specific hardware, then click update driver. Otherwise you don't have to do it here. Now let me show you something else. Say you opened your Google Chrome and it's not loading any page. It just stays there, not loading any page. And you are not sure you have the internet connection or no. So what do you do in that case? Let me show you a very funny, a very not, a very quick way to figure out that you have internet connection or no. So I'm here at the task manager, then I'm going to Windows PowerShell admin, then you click yes. From here you press cd dash dash, then again cd dash dash. Now we type ping www dot say google.com. There you go. Reply from Google. Okay, so what's that mean? It means I have internet connection and I try to ping Google, and it's my computer is it's sending some signals to Google and receiving signals from Google, which means I have internet connection on my computer. So sometime if you open your Internet Explorer or Edge or Google Chrome or Firefox, and if you see that browser not doing anything, you can come here to and type ping or ping Google or whatever you want. It's not you have to type Google. You can type anything you want. Say yahoo.com. The signal is coming from Yahoo, which means I have internet connection on my computer. So that's it for this lesson. More lesson coming, so please subscribe and share. We are These are free tutorials, so yeah, more are coming. Thank you for watching.